So with that, your first option for your medical career pathway is NEET, right? And if you're not able to get through NEET, the next option you have is CET. And still, if you want to do MBBS itself, you have a golden opportunity to do your MBBS in abroad countries approved by the government of India too. Right, so with that, things to do after your exams. Once your exams are done, what you have to do, or during that period, know your options. So as we discussed, we had discussed a lot of opportunities, right? Now in healthcare, a lot of things open to you, maybe which was not known before. Now, first you know what are your options. Once you know your options, clear your doubts. Right, there will be a lot of doubts on what would be the salary, how long the duration of the course, where are the courses available, what would be the fee structures. A lot of things will be there. Clear your doubts, right? Know the practicality of each career field. Can I work in metros? Can I work in a village? Can I work in India? Can I work in abroad? A lot of questions, right? And if you require any guidance on this, we also have a team from medicalcareerguidance.in who can help you in clearing your doubts. You can call them and take the guidance from them also, because there's an assistance for you, so there's a clarity on what you can do next. Right, so now if you require further guidance on this, or you want to talk to someone one-to-one and understand more about this particular area, or you want to understand more about this, you can visit www.medicalcareerguidance.in, where you'll get a lot of information on healthcare careers in different areas, even in India and abroad. And also you can call them and contact them through their contact form to understand more about MBBS in abroad countries too, so that you can get the right guidance and right channel of pathway for the admissions, so that you have a prosperous, successful year and a career ahead. Right, so with that, live your dreams, get out there. The world is waiting for you to get a healthcare career, and I wish all the best for all the students who are aspiring to be in healthcare career. And I would like to see you soon on the other side with us discussing more into healthcare programs. Right, with that, I hope I have added a lot of value to you, and you have got new insights from the discussion what we had. I hope your mood has been improved from all the numbers which are taken before. And yes, thank you so much for being here today. And of course, the journey doesn't end there. There's a huge pathway and process even after MBBS, and how you do your MD specialization, become a cardiologist, become a neurologist. There are different career pathways even in India, even in abroad countries. After MBBS, what can be done and what are the process? Should you do your MD or not? So all these discussions will be you can have, and you can also look into now. You can join our another program which is specialties after MBBS, which a very special program which we have launched, where we'll be having more than 100 specialists from across India, from different specialties. The specialists themselves with years of experience will talk about their own career pathways and how they have become the specialists they are in, and what the pros and cons of that particular specialty, and how you can take up that specialty and explore the career opportunity in that particular area. So that's a program. You can join that program and understand a lot of hear from the specialists themselves from across India. That will be available in Dr. Sajan Academy. You can take that program visiting www.drsajjanacademy.com. And for more information on this particular same aspects, I also have written a book on medical career guidance, which was again supported by the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central. And I was a Rotarian before, and that was when I released this. And we have all the information. If you look into the chapters, these are chapters which we have discussed in detail, and what we have discussed. And of course, we'll also have, you can also take up the detailed program after this particular introduction, because this is just an introductory program, and you'll have detailed programs on each aspects further, and you can take up those programs so that you have more in-depth information of choices which you have, right? And it's also available in Amazon. You can also order through medicalcareerguidance.in. Yes, for any assistance you can contact this number in this particular area of specialty. and you can follow us on different social medias, so that you can get connected and be in the discussions for that, right? And especially we'd like to inform you that we have this academy, that is Dr. Sajjan Academy. We have started this an online platform. It's an open platform for all the healthcare professionals, not only doctors, all the healthcare professionals who can get skills in healthcare, right? This is for people who are in the healthcare process, career pathway. We're going to help you in upgrading skills through different professionals themselves coming and training you on different areas. With the certification, you will be able to get more trained in different areas, not only be competitive to write exams, but being skilled actually to empower patients and treat them well and have a good communication skills in doing so. So I wish those who are watching this particular training program, if you're a PU student and if you're aspiring to be on becoming a doctor or any other healthcare professionals, we'd like to see you on this platform for upgrading your skills and training program once you choose your career pathway in healthcare, right? So thank you so much for being here today. And yes, we also have different opportunities where you can get a subscription for this if you are doing your MBBS in abroad countries, so that you can get connected to Indian syllabus and Indian professionals and get training from here too. You can join the academy. We'll discuss later once you get connected to the medicalcareerguidance.in. They will also explain you more about it. Right. With that, thank you so much for being here today, and all the best for your career pathways. Please connect to the experts. You understand the more about the career pathways in healthcare. Thank you. See you soon in the other side in Dr. Sajjan Academy. Bye.